Athens, a city of gods, poets, and dreamers, a place where the past and present dance together, reminding us that history never truly fades. From the Parthenon's wisdom to the laughter in Plaka, Athens proves that beauty lives in every era. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Athens, Greece, the city of gods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Comment your favorite moment or tell us where we should visit next. Subscribe for more cinematic travel stories every week. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, the world is full of stories waiting to be discovered.
Our journey begins at the Acropolis, standing high above Athens for over 2,500 years. At its heart lies the Parthenon, a temple built to honor Athena, goddess of wisdom and protector of the city. Every marble column tells a story of faith, art, and civilization. When sunlight hits the stone, the Parthenon seems to come alive, glowing like a monument carved from the heavens. Here, you're not just walking through history, you're standing where civilization began.
Below the Acropolis lies the ancient Agora, once the political and social heart of Athens. This is where democracy was born, where citizens gathered to share ideas and shape their future. Imagine Socrates debating here, or Plato walking these same paths centuries ago. The Agora reminds us that every great civilization begins with conversation and the courage to think differently.
From ancient ruins to modern charm, we step into Plaka, the oldest neighborhood in Athens. Cobblestone streets twist through whitewashed houses with bright blue shutters and blooming flowers.
I was in one of my recent trips to Athens, and I've compiled a guide for your next.
Here, time slows down. You'll find family tavernas serving moussaka and gyros, handmade jewelry shops, and the sound of Greek music drifting through the air. Plaka feels like a living postcard, a peaceful escape beneath the shadow of the Acropolis. Next, we reach Syntagma Square, the political and cultural center of modern Athens. Here, in front of the parliament, the changing of the guard takes place every hour. The guards, known as Evzones, wear traditional uniforms, detailed, symbolic, and full of history. Each movement is precise and powerful, a reminder of Greece's enduring pride and spirit. Amid the noise of traffic and modern life, this timeless ceremony connects Athens' past to its present. As evening falls, we climb Mount Lycabettus, the highest point in Athens. Whether you take the funicular or hike to the top, what waits is pure magic. From here, the entire city stretches before you, white rooftops glowing under the orange sky. And as the sun sets behind the Parthenon, the marble turns golden once again. It's a view that makes you realize Athens isn't just a city, it's a masterpiece that time could never erase. As night falls, Athens comes alive. Rooftop bars sparkle under the stars, offering views of the glowing Acropolis. Locals and travelers gather for meze, plates of feta, olives, grilled octopus, and ouzo. The streets fill with laughter, art, and energy that lasts until dawn. Athens may hold the wisdom of the past, but its heart beats with the rhythm of today.
Athens, a city of gods, poets, and dreamers, a place where the past and present dance together, reminding us that history never truly fades. From the Parthenon's wisdom to the laughter and Plaka, Athens proves that beauty lives in every era. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Athens, Greece, the city of gods. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Comment your favorite moment or tell us where we should visit next. Subscribe for more cinematic travel stories every week.